Rose water has been used for centuries for its numerous health and beauty benefits. In this video, we will discuss the various benefits of rose water for the face. Hydrates and moisturizes the skin. Rose water is a natural hydrating agent that helps to replenish the moisture content of the skin. It has astringent properties that help to tighten the pores and reduce the secretion of oil. Rose water also helps to maintain the pH balance of the skin, making it look healthier and smoother. Soothes irritated skin. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that help to soothe and calm the skin. It can be particularly helpful for people with sensitive skin or those who are prone to skin irritation. Rose water can also help to reduce redness and inflammation caused by acne, sunburn, or other skin conditions. Improves skin texture and tone. Regular use of rose water can improve the texture and tone of the skin. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making the skin look more youthful and radiant. Rose water also has natural astringent properties that help to tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of pores. Provides a refreshing and cooling sensation. Rose water has a refreshing and cooling effect on the skin, making it an excellent toner for the face. It can be used as a natural remedy for tired or puffy eyes, providing a refreshing and soothing sensation. Acts as a natural cleanser. Rose water can also be used as a natural cleanser for the face. It helps to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin, leaving it feeling clean and fresh. Rose water can be used in combination with other natural ingredients, such as honey or lemon, to create a gentle and effective cleanser for the face. So that's it for today's video on the amazing benefits of rose water for your face. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below.